I want to feature you and your truck on this channel, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that. I'm not going to spend too much time here because it's kind of raining, but this is something that I would love for you guys watching to get involved with this, especially the people that have one of these, a Volkswagen Rabbit pickup or a Mark 1 Caddy. I'm currently working on a video, a little project if you will, and what it is I want to showcase all the different types of toppers that you could get for these vehicles. Like, I want to educate the people watching these videos, because sometimes when I go to these little events or I talk to people online, whether they're from the UK or America, sometimes they don't actually know that these things exist. They didn't know about these South African toppers. They don't, like, I'm talking about people from the UK, most of them didn't know about Eagle tops, Lear tops, the Gem top. There's so many other tops out there, and I want to show people that. Some people didn't know about the Truckman top that we got over here in the UK, or the other one, what's it called? The i4 Williams. And I'm sure there's another one as well. Like I say, I want to mainly educate people, and it'll just be like a video showing all the different, as many different toppers as possible. So this is how you could help me with this project and help and be featured on this video. So if you've got a topper at home, on your truck or off your truck, I would love for you to get involved, get in touch, comment below, send me a message on Instagram. Let's make this happen. All you'd have to do is get your phone and film yourself in selfie mode, or like this, so you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. But it would be amazing if you could just be like, walk around your truck like this and just be like, so this is my Beekman top. It's from South Africa. I found it here in the UK. Some guy had it and he sold it to me for £200. And this is how it opens. It has a lock and it has hydraulic whatever hinges things, and it's got two windows. One this side that slides and one the other side that slides. I'm really happy with it, blah 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 blah. If you have more information on it, like what year it was manufactured, where it was manufactured, if it was made for this vehicle or not, I would love to know that information, and so would so many other people. As you've seen on the channel before, we've had Julian with his iconic Tisha with the Caddy Spore. There's also another guy who you've seen on here with the Bischoff burger. If you've got anything like that, please do let me know. Send in your clips. If you do want to get featured but you don't have any clips, you don't have immediate access to your vehicle, I guess I could accept photos and some information as well. Just anything where I can put together some clips, some photos, and just show people what's out there. If you really wanted to go the extra mile, if you had time on your hands and you wanted to get involved, then you could also film some what we call B-roll footage. I'm sure you know what that means. It's basically this stuff that you see which isn't the main thing you're listening to or watching. So here's an example. You're hearing me talk right now, but I'm actually showing you some B-roll of the topper. You see how this works? So basically what you would do is you would film your A-roll, which is you, a talking head if you will, showing blah blah blah, talking information, blah 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 blah, yap 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 yap. But also, you also want to take your camera and film things like this. So you'll get a nice steady shot, maybe emphasize on some key points that you've talked about. Maybe you mentioned this little sticker here of Stanley and you go, ooh yeah, let's make sure we film a little B-roll shot there like that, nice and slow. It just makes putting a project together really explains things to the audience clearer. So yeah, please do, if you want to help, if you want to get in touch, please do comment below or send me a message on Instagram. I would just love to make a little video that's educational and showcases what's out there. I've probably said that 5 times. It's time for a shameless plug. Old Volks Supply. But this time, on today's video, if you wanted something special, something limited edition, let me show you this. If you wanted to support what I do here on this YouTube channel, then you can go to our little pop-up shop and get yourself a little motel style keyring, double-sided, much like our air fresheners that are on there. Mark 1 Caddy air fresheners, they smell so good. I'm not just saying that. For the pop-up shop, I will leave a separate link in the description below. It will clearly say pop-up shop with the link, and then underneath that you'll see oldvolks.co.uk. So I'm sorry that it's not all in one place, but if you wanted to help and support what I do here, the profits will allow me to buy things that I can put on the channel. Maybe it's like camera gear, or it might be something like, because there's a few products that I want to buy to review specifically here on the channel. So if you buy things like this, like the key rings to help support the channel, or anything from the clothing shop, then all those profits do genuinely help support the channel and allow me to get things for the channel. I honestly do appreciate anybody who's gone out of their way to help support the channel. It really does mean a lot. I see all the orders coming in, I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing, and I'm so grateful. Thank you. And if you have bought anything in the past, I'd love to see it. Send me a photo of how your hoodie looks, or your t-shirt, or where you've put your stickers, etc. I'd love to see that on social media. Please do tag me, and yeah, appreciate it. Alright, this segment is over. Let's see how close we are today. I think we're getting closer. We are definitely getting closer, too close. Back in 2019, when we did the East Coast of Australia road trip, we came back here to the UK and I became a vegetarian. And it was for no dietary reasons, it was just purely because when we went to Australia and Bali, it's gonna sound so cliche or cringe, but we just saw so much wildlife, so many animals, and a lot of especially in Bali, where they have stray dogs and cats on the road, and you're just and you see so much roadkill. I just fell further in love with animals in general, and I just thought, I can't bear to eat something that I love so much. So as cringy as all that sounds, I know that all sounds really cringy and stuff like that. On that note, I have actually decided to go back to eating chicken, just chicken. I don't eat any red meat or fish, because it's just to get just to hit that protein. It's very difficult, and plus, if you live in the UK, this is the best you can get, I think. Corn and whatever this is from Aldi. It just doesn't taste that nice. So I was a vegetarian from 2019, the end of 2019, to the beginning of 2025. Today I'm going to show you one of my new favorite meals to have, and it's delicious. It's so simple. It's literally this. Some half-baked roll, which I'm about to shove in the oven. Full of carbs, I know, but this is delicious. And we've got chicken, a chicken breast and a half. And this week I'm trialing out the Cajun spice, which I've never really had before, but oh my god, it's delicious. 2 things, maybe a little bit of butter in here, but oh my god, how delicious is this? Chicken in a roll. A few months ago discovered this, which is just phenomenal. Hot damn! People that aren't from the UK, I don't understand why you would want to come to the UK on a vacation. Just why? It is literally grey and miserable and wet horror. I reckon about 85% of the year it is like this, just awful. I get it, we have things like castles and old buildings and whatever, but this is trash. Like why? I don't understand why people from outside the UK would want to come here. Chloe got me this for Christmas. It's so cool. Trained chest and arms last night, and this just feels amazing. Also, if you wanted to like hoover your car, you could literally take a hoover and one of these, hit that onto the floor of the car, and it will just throw up because it vibrates the floor. Let's talk about car shows. I've never really been like super into car shows. It's not really been my thing. Like I'm not, like I get it. I totally know what it's about. I get it. But it's just been something that I've not really been interested in, and there's still a part of me that goes to them and I'm like, yeah. But now, the main reasons why I go is because I want to go and see my friends. I want to go see and spend time with my friends. And that's been pretty much, I mean, it's really cool to see things that you don't see every day. It's a running joke, but I am really into things that are different. People that have gone like outside the box. Like there's a guy called Matt Butler, a friend of mine here in the UK, who has built this Mark 1 Caddy, but it's so unique. It's incredible. And things like that really impress me. They get me charged up, like they pump me up. I really dig it when people do things that are so different. They don't follow the same patterns that other people do. And I guess when I see stuff like that at car shows, it's pretty cool. I'm actually gonna hopefully meet up with Matt this year and show his Caddy on the vlog. That would be amazing, because some of you would lose your minds with some of the things that he's done to that truck. So, but yeah, car shows, obviously we've got the Caddy campers. That's not really a show, that's a camping weekend. They're the things that I really look forward to the most. And obviously we may go to Bug Jam, which is at Santa Pod. VW Action we've done a few times now. I don't know if I'd want to go, I don't know. There's obviously a few other car shows out there. You know, some are closer than others, some are more tailored towards certain things than others. I'm eager to know what you guys recommend in the comments below. If there's a car show that you think I would like, or there's a car show that you think I should go to and check it out, please do comment below. Let me know. I'd love to know what your thoughts are. Where should I go? Where should I take the truck? What should I go and film? What do I need to see? Let me know in the comments below what your favourite UK car shows are, and we'll see what happens. Today is really wet and cold and windy outside, so that I can't really go out and film stuff that I want to, because everything will just get wet. So I think we're just gonna end the vlog here. Thanks for watching the video, I appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and remember what I said about the toppers for the trucks. If you've got one, please get in touch, get involved. Let's make it happen.